Good morning, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to go ahead and finish up some of the work that we have started in the previous video on our desk. This is a 2x4 construction desk, making it look very rustic. Today I'm going to be working on the legs and the assembly of the first section of this desk. As I spoke to last time in the previous video, I'm going to be putting a glass top epoxy on top of this to give it a nice solid look. Today I'm going to put together the legs on it rather, and I'm actually going to be also putting on some shellac to help seal the wood both inside and out. So a little bit of bullseye shellac itself. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to look when it's done, or not just done, but when I get the shellac on it and how rich the grain is going to look when it's applied. So that's what we're going to bring along to do today. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, hit the thumbs up and possibly think about subscribing, and I thank you very much for doing that. So without further ado, Okay, so the idea that Austin just had, Austin's my son. So the idea we had is, let's get a cross member in here. So we've gone and cut 30 degrees on 2 pieces of wood, bored a center hole, and we have a small lag bolt through it. We've gone and drawn lines on both sides. And here in just a second, we're going to actually take, let's go ahead and move it over there. We're going to take and we're going to hollow half the material out of both pieces to create one thickness, so it actually will sit flush, as this one does, on both top and bottom. right, well, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for joining me on this little journey of a desk making. So we got the legs done, so the process of that was kind of labor intensive, but really easy. Put some nice crosses in there, lag bolt and everything. Got it downstairs to the basement. So next thing that's gonna happen, work on part 2. So it's gonna be a couple weeks before we do that. Price of lumber has skyrocketed and it's disgusting. So this is part 2. Look forward to part 3 coming up here soon. It's been fun so far. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, hit the thumbs up button. Maybe think about subscribing. And I do appreciate you guys joining me for this little journey. And we'll see you next time.